Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to save a template and set it as the default so you can print invoices without needing to configure the settings every time. Let's see how to save a template in TallyPrime. Open an invoice and press Ctrl P. In the voucher printing screen, press Ctrl H. In the invoice template screen, use the available options to make any changes, if required, before saving the template. You can also save the template without making any changes. Press Ctrl L and in the Save Template screen, update the details as needed. For example, the template name will appear with a suffix of user template. You may continue with the same or change the name as per your business needs. However, ensure that the template name is unique to remain distinguished from others. You can enable the option Set as default for all sales to set the template as default for all the sales voucher types. This also allows the template to be set as the default template for the secondary voucher types created under this voucher type, such as North Sales, South Sales, and so on. Next, you can enable the option Show Additional Configuration if needed. In the Save Template for option, select all companies on this computer to use it across companies, or select this company to use this template in any system the company is accessed from. You can enable the option Save Printer, Export to Details to save the printer, and the Export to Details that has been configured in the printer settings of the given template. Press Ctrl A to save the template. Now, you can select Use Template to use the saved template for printing. In the voucher printing screen, you can configure and save a template based on your needs, so you don't have to edit or make changes every time you print. Let's assume you have to print the bank details in the template. Press C to configure and in the Add Remove Field screen, enable the Show Bank Details option. Now, you can select the bank name and configure the other required options as needed. Press Ctrl A to save the changes. Press Ctrl L to open the Save Template screen and save the template with the updated changes related to bank details. You can press I to preview the template with the bank details appearing in the template. Now, every time you want to print the invoice along with the bank details, you can use the same template. Now, let's see how to set a template as default in TallyPrime. To simplify printing and maintain a standard format in TallyPrime, you can set a template as default from the set of predefined templates or saved templates. You can also set template as default for different voucher types as well. First, let's see how to set a saved or user-defined template as default. Let's assume you have a few saved templates that you have configured as per your business needs. Now, if you have not set any of the template as default template at the time of saving the template, you can do it at a later stage as well. Open any invoice. Press Ctrl P and then Ctrl H to navigate to the invoice templates screen. Press Alt L to set the particular user-defined template as default. At any given moment, if you feel that this template is no longer required as the default template, then you can press Alt L again to remove the particular template as default. Now, let's see how to set a predefined template as default. Open any invoice. Press Ctrl P and then Ctrl H to navigate to the invoice templates screen. Press F2 to open the list of templates and select a template from predefined templates that you wish to set as default. Press Alt-L to set the particular predefined template as default. A query box will appear to set the template as default across all the sales voucher. Select all companies to use it across companies, or select this company to use this template in any system the company is accessed from. At any given moment, if you feel that this template is no longer required as the default template, then you can press Alt-L again to remove the particular template as default. Now, let's see how to set a template as default for a particular voucher type. In TallyPrime, you can select a different template as default for each voucher type. Open the particular voucher type for which you want to set the template as default in alteration mode. In the voucher alteration screen, set a template as default template to print from the list of templates. Note that the list of templates will display only the templates saved for this company and the predefined templates. Press Ctrl A to save the template as default for the particular voucher type. Alternatively, you can also set the template as default for a particular voucher type from the print menu. Press Alt-P and select Invoice Templates. Select Set Alter Default Templates and press Enter. In the Name of Voucher Type screen, select a voucher type and press Enter. Under List of Templates for this company and all companies, select a template and press Enter to set the template as default. Note that the system automatically determines the priority based on how you've configured default templates across different levels. It first considers the voucher type, followed by the company, and finally the application. As you saw, you can easily save a template and set it as default to print conveniently as per your business needs. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.